COVID-19 can add a lot of stress to what is normally an exciting time for new moms. An experience one La-Crosse nurse dealt with after testing positive for COVID-19.
News 8 Now's Jordan Frumstad introduces you to her and her new daughter in a story you'll see only on News 8 Now.
I just love helping people, and I love babies.
Taylor's show helps new moms welcome new children into the world.
I'm a nurse in the NICU at Mayo.
The pandemic brings a deep, chilling feeling for pregnant women.
I was scared to go to work and get sick being pregnant. I was scared to bring it home to my husband. I was scared to bring it home to my family. Oh.
Taylor's career has come full circle, welcoming her own daughter, Willa. Unfortunately, she said goodbye to a good night's sleep for now.
We're definitely still learning. Hi.
Things were not easy before Willa was here.
I had some congestion, but that was really it.
We're seeing more and more, which is not the way we want to be going.
Taylor's positive COVID-19 test brought the harsh realities she sees at work into her own life.
We have seen people my age in their 20s and their 30s, in ICUs, for weeks.
And if you have hypertension or certain other diseases, you're more likely, if you get COVID, that you're going to be sick. And that's also true for pregnant women.
Your nappy hair.
Fortunately, the risks people like Taylor face are watched by people like Teresa Hagen.
We're making sure that the babies are growing by doing scheduled ultrasounds.
Mayo-Clinic-Health-System's Dr. Dennis Kostakos' expertise also provides some stress relief.
If you're positive, we're not going to separate you from your baby.
What's it at? How many minutes?
Her journey to good health didn't stop at the ultrasound checkups.
Well, she ended up being a C-section, so that was a surprise in itself.
Quarantine with her husband taught patience.
We were in the same hospital room for 6 days, my husband and I, and it was testing.
The toughest part was family and friends could not be there when it was Willa's time.
It makes me so sad because I know what they're missing out, and it's not fair.
That's Grandma peeking through the window wanting to come in to meet her.
Even her mom needed fate to be there for her daughter.
That was the best. I could only be there if I was working, if it was my scheduled work shift. So I don't know, by the grace of God, she came 20 minutes after I walked on to my night shift, which I do not enjoy night shifts, but I had never been so excited to work a night shift in my life.
Things are working out for the better.
They did do a great job.
Mom and Willa are safe and healthy. Taylor hopes people take precautions to heart for the sake of other families.
We all have people we're looking out for too, so it'd be nice if everyone could play their part, and it would make it easier for us too.
In West-Salem, this is Jordan Frumstad, News 8 Now.
And of course, our best to her and her baby. Show's baby did not test positive, which is actually very good news. And doctors at Mayo say they are learning more about babies and how COVID-19 impacts newborns.
And so far, data shows it does not affect babies like adults, but more research is being done to show the true impact.